Vice President Leni Robredo reiterates that allegations of election cheating are baseless. Robredo made the statement in reaction to the electoral protest filed against her by defeated vice presidential candidate and former Senator Bongbong Marcos. According to Robredo, she is not worried about the substance of the case, but on the legal fees involved in the protest. Jervis Manahan reports.
Vice President Leni Robredo is not bothered by the summon issued by the Supreme Court to her as a response to the electoral protest filed by her election rival, former Senator Bongbong Marcos. She says this is part of regular court procedures, and having nothing to hide, she said she is confident that the case will not even prosper. If she is anxious about something, it's more about the legal cost the procedures will incur.
Magkano ba aabutin yung legal fees? Saan ko ba yun kukunin? Hindi naman yun pwedeng i-charge sa opisina. Wala naman akong personal na pambayad. So siguro yun yung kaba.
Attorney Romulo Macalintala remains as Robredo's legal counsel in this case. He said he's willing to offer his services to Robredo. Meanwhile, COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista says that election-related documents are still intact in case the court needs it.
Sigurado natin na yung kailangang datos at kailangang information pag hiningi ng Korte Suprema or ng Presidential Electoral Tribunal, dapat handang ibigay kaagad ng COMELEC.
Robredo hopes that this process will be swift so she can focus on her work.
Mas gusto ko nga na parang swiftly maasikaso na. Para wala na siya sa usapan. Mas gusto na, mas makakabuelo tayo sa trabaho pag wala nang inaasikaso. Kasi isa pa yun sa poproblemahin.
Right now, she is still in constant dialogue with stakeholders and groups that promote her advocacies. She has also coordinated with Budget Secretary Benjamin Diokno for some adjustments in OVP's budget.
Meron kami mga ni-request sa kanya na pwede bang bawasan yung item na to, dagdagan to. Ano naman, very receptive si Secretary Diokno. Pumayag siya dun sa mga requests natin. Mas movement lang to kasi yung amount nakatakda na. Pero tingin ko mas magiging maluwag sa 2018. Mas magiging maluwag in the sense na kabahagi na kami sa pagplano kung saan mapupunta yung budget.
Robredo also clarified that her trips abroad such as Thailand and the US are not funded by her office. But still, she hopes that Pinoys abroad can help her advocacies.
Sana maging fruitful yung kalalabasan. Hindi pa natin alam kasi hindi pa tayo pumupunta, pero sana ganon. Yung sasalitain natin doon, yung laman ng ating speech, pag-update sa kanila kung ano yung advocacies ng Office of the Vice President with the hope na makakuha tayo ng partners from them.
For the PTV News, Jervis Manahan.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.